Hello, namaste. My name is Dr. Vipra. I'm from Bangalore. By profession, I'm an intensivist and anesthesiologist. Actually, I believe in spirituality since my childhood, and we used to do practice of meditations since many years. So here we have visited almost in 2010 and 11. Maybe I'm not exactly remembering. And first we came here, we really felt like we reached in a heaven. Like first, as like we just entered in this valley, we just saw this greenery. We were not aware of this big pyramid. We never saw the pyramid like that. And as soon as we entered, we really felt like we just entered in the heaven. And we felt so beautiful, so nice. And at the same time, we met Patriji also first time. After that, like actually never came any incident like that. We met with him. That was the first time, and we met with him also. And since that year, we are regularly visiting this pyramid valley because of mainly because of this nature and this pyramid. We are really fascinated. We are always fascinated with this pyramid. So we always come here. Rather than preferring to going in a resort, we come here, we stay here, we do meditation. And right now, I came with my whole family, my brother, my sister-in-law, my mother. My husband also comes sometimes, but this time he's because of work he couldn't come. My son and everybody, we enjoy the meditation here. In the King's Chamber, the kids also like they those who are 6 years above, they also sit nicely and they really enjoy the meditation. Especially on the full moon, I still remember like on the whole night we stayed in the pyramid itself and we really enjoyed that. So. We are considering this pyramid as a house, as a home. We don't feel now it is something different entity, and we always get connected with the nature, maybe with the spiritual, with the supreme soul very easily here. So really this is so wonderful and so awesome experience for us. The food, the people, the environment, everything is such a beautiful that I cannot just explain in the words. It's just a feeling, and I will recommend everyone. I'll suggest everyone, please come once here and just experience the nature's beauty and just connect yourself spiritually with the Supreme Soul by coming here. So that calmness, mindfulness, you will learn here. Not only meditation, but many courses are also available here. So still, I have not done that, but I'm planning to do that. So thank you so much. It was such a wonderful experience. Thank you.